In question 42, we're going to be designing a Simpson's paradox involving two companies, Company A and Company B. We are given that Company A gives 70% of its jobs to local residents, while Company B gives only 60% of its jobs to local residents. So if you work out those numbers, it will be 210 jobs for local residents and 90 jobs for foreigners. Then for Company B, we have a total of 180 residents and 120 for foreigners. So we're supposed to show that as much as Company A has a higher overall percentage of local residents than Company B, it's possible that Company B has higher percentages for full-time jobs and part-time jobs compared to Company A. So we should also consider that